Hello everyone, this is Dheeraj from Sorted WP. Thank you for joining in. We have designed this course to help you learn how to deploy a highly scalable and fault-tolerant WordPress on AWS Cloud. Now forget the decade-old technology and learn how to leverage cloud computing for your WordPress projects. This course will help you learn advanced deployment of WordPress, and using these skills, you would be able to undertake high-value enterprise WordPress projects. WordPress is a truly amazing CMS, and it can be used to make several types of websites from blogs to social networks. And scalable WordPress is needed for high-traffic websites, as well as it can be used for advanced enterprise applications with large number of users. For instance, online learning platforms, real estate portals, community or matrimonial portals, or any other advanced WordPress applications.
The course will guide you through cloud architecture for WordPress, and by the end of this course, you will be able to deploy highly available as well as scalable WordPress on AWS Cloud Server. We have designed this course to suit all the different levels of users, which can help you understand the cloud architecture concept easily with step-by-step process. Additionally, the learning is supported with extra resources throughout the course to help users clearly understand the process. This course is suitable for WordPress users, enthusiasts, developers, agency owners, freelancers, and anyone who is interested in learning scalable WordPress deployment for their advanced WordPress applications. It will also help you learn more about the best practices for WordPress deployment on AWS. So ready to take your WordPress skills to the next level and learn how to deploy a highly scalable WordPress on AWS Cloud servers? Enroll now. Hope to see you soon, guys. Thank you.